Jefferson County, southern Middlesex County, eastern Putnam County, and southeastern New York until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Walcott to Lake Carmel, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Waterbury and Walcott around 5:35 p.m. Cheshire around 5:40 p.m. Meriden and Brookfield around 5:45 p.m. Danbury and Middletown around 5:50 p.m. Newtown and Hartford around 5:55 p.m. Durham and Reading around 6 p.m. Monroe around 6:05 p.m. Bridgeport and Trumbull around 6:10 p.m. New Haven and Milford around 6:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. You're listening to NOAA's All Hazards Radio, station KWO 35 in New York City. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service.